Do you want to boost your performance and increase your power and strength before each workout in an easy and natural way? Recently, I have discovered the incredible benefits of including beetroot juice in my pre- and post-workout routine, and let's just say I am blown away by the results. Beetroot juice is a natural powerhouse that provides numerous advantages for athletes, including improved performance, enhanced endurance, and faster recovery. In this video, I will share with you why you should consider incorporating beetroot juice into your fitness regimen and provide you with helpful, detailed suggestions on how to maximize its benefits. So why should you include beetroot juice in your vegan diet? First of all, it boosts performance. Beetroot juice contains high levels of nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, widening the blood vessels and increasing blood flow. This increased blood flow improves oxygen and nutrient delivery to the muscles, resulting in enhanced performance during your workout sessions. It also enhances endurance. By increasing blood flow, beetroot juice helps to reduce the amount of oxygen needed by the muscles during exercise. This means that you can exercise for longer periods without feeling fatigued. Studies have shown that consuming beetroot juice can significantly improve endurance, allowing athletes to push their limits and achieve better results. Now let's see the pre-workout benefits of beetroot juice. Drinking beetroot juice before a workout can optimize your body's ability to utilize oxygen. This is especially beneficial for endurance activities such as running, cycling, or swimming. The increased oxygen utilization leads to improved stamina, enabling you to perform at your best for longer durations. Another benefit is increased energy levels. Beetroot juice is a rich source of carbohydrates and natural sugars, providing a quick and sustainable energy boost before your workout. Unlike processed energy drinks that may contain artificial additives, beetroot juice offers a natural and healthy alternative to fuel your body for intense physical activity. A third benefit, it enhances muscle efficiency. The nitric oxide produced from beetroot juice helps relax and widen the blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and nutrient delivery to the muscles. This increased efficiency in nutrient uptake can enhance muscle contraction and reduce muscle fatigue during your workout, allowing you to maintain a higher level of intensity. Alright, so drinking it before a workout makes sense now. But how about post-workout benefits of beetroot juice? Drinking beetroot juice post-workout means faster recovery. Intense exercise can cause muscle damage and oxidative stress. Beetroot juice is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce muscle soreness and aid in post-workout recovery. By drinking beetroot juice after your workout, you can promote faster healing and reduce the risk of muscle damage. Another benefit is muscle repair and growth. The amino acids present in beetroot juice, such as glutamine and arginine, play a crucial role in muscle repair and growth. Consuming beetroot juice post-workout ensures that your muscles receive the necessary building blocks to recover and grow stronger. This can lead to better muscle development and improved athletic performance over time. Let's see how to incorporate beetroot juice into your fitness routine. One of the best ways to experience the full benefits of beetroot juice is by juicing fresh beetroots yourself. Purchase organic beetroots, wash them thoroughly, and remove the outer skin. Cut them into smaller pieces and blend them using a juicer or a high-speed blender. Drink the juice immediately to retain its nutritional value. Another way to add it to your diet is to drink beetroot juice shots. If you prefer a quick and convenient option, you can find pre-packaged beetroot juice shots at health food stores or online retailers. These shots provide a concentrated dose of beetroot juice and are especially beneficial for individuals with a busy lifestyle or limited time for juicing. Care for something more filling? Have a beetroot juice smoothies. For a more flavorful and filling option, consider adding beetroot juice to your post-workout smoothies. Combine beetroot juice with other nutrient-rich ingredients, such as leafy greens, fruits, and plant-based protein powders. This will not only enhance the taste, but also provide a well-rounded nutritional profile to support your recovery and muscle growth. And speaking of muscle growth, if you want to discover how to build lean muscle on a vegan diet, check out this next video, where I share with you some cool tips and secrets to build muscle as a vegan, using smart food choices.